Is your PrtScn key not working as expected in Windows 11? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a step by step how to fix PrtScn or Snipping Tool not working on Windows 11. Let's get started. The first way is to click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Apps, click on Installed Apps. In search, type Snipping Tool. In Snipping Tool, you will find a three dot icon. Click on three dot icon. Click on Advanced Options and scroll down. Background App Permissions. Click on the drop down and select Always. Again, scroll down. You will find two options here. One is Repair and another one is Reset. Now click on Repair first. Now click on Reset. Click on Reset. Now close Settings. Now the second way to solve this issue, right click on Start menu, click on Device Manager and expand Keyboard. Right click on Keyboard and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse my computer for drivers. Now click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and now select the available printer model and then click on Next. The Windows has successfully updated the driver. Okay, now close it. Do you want to restart your computer? Now you need to restart your computer. You can restart from here to click on yes or click here no and close device manager. Click on start menu, click on power and now click on restart. After restarting your computer, hope your problem has been solved. If your problem is not solved still, you have to go for third way. Click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Accessibility. Now scroll down. You will find here Keyboard. Scroll down. You will find an option here. Use the PrtScn key to open Snipping Tool. Make sure this is turned on. Now close Settings. Go for fourth way. Click on Start menu. Again click on Settings. Click on Time and Language. And now select date and time. Just turn off set time automatically and again turn it on. Now close Settings. If your problem is still persist, go for the fifth way. Right click on taskbar, click on Task Manager, and you will find here Snipping Tool. Right click on Snipping Tool and click on End Task to end the process. Close Task Manager. The sixth way, click on Start menu. In search, type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt, type SFC space slash scan now. SFC scan now. This scan will find the corrupt file on the file system and it will repair during restart. Now hit enter and run this command. After successfully complete the command, just close command prompt and you need to restart your computer. After restarting your computer, hope your problem will be solved. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.